Hello my lovely ladies and welcome to YouTube episode number 242. A big welcome to all those who are watching this episode. It will be on Kanjivaram and also in brocade Kanjivarams, some new varieties in Kanji silks. So keep watching. Myself Lalia Dattagupta from Sanskriti Kolkata. The first one, these are all beautiful brocade Kanjivarams with all over zari weave, pure silk of course. And then these are very rich unique bridal collection weaves in gorgeous silks. I'm sure you can understand the rich weave in gold. The color, basic color is a strawberry pink color with all over amazing zari weave in paisley, the rich woven zari border, and these are so much of gold weave, but it doesn't look like too loud, but at the same time it will be very gorgeous. So these are the kind of silk which we see Tollywood actresses wearing for occasions, for party wears and occasion for wedding, but of course those are cost maybe a bomb, but these are reasonable range in pure hand woven silk, pure silk, and these come with a very pretty blouse piece. The blouse piece will be running in this. The whole sari is totally woven and this is the very gorgeous sari. Okay, the blouse piece is along with the pallu. So this is the blouse piece. It will be in pink color with the border. This is the blouse piece for this beauty. Product number 1. Totally exclusive designer hand woven pieces. I'll show you in traditional but little different from the traditional Kanjivarams that we see, because these borders, the color combination are all customized. We've told the weavers to do these kind of color combinations to give it a different look altogether. It's a nice peach color with a rani color border. Now see the self weave. बहुत सुंदर है और इसका बैक साइड भी देखिए, इतना बढ़िया काम, लेकिन ये पूरा वीव, लेकिन it's so subtle and so well, the weaving is so beautiful. Traditional border in peacock and elephant. Pallu and the blouse piece. Contrast. For those who are looking out for bridal collection, for wedding collection, these are exclusive sarees. Those who love rich Indian silks. You will love the fabric when you receive them. These are amazing sarees. I show these kind of videos not very often. Limited collection, but all are very exclusive. From 1st of April till 13th of April, Sanskriti Kolkata, Jamir Lane branch, 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata, 19 branch. We are doing a discount sale on limited collection, selected pieces, not all sarees, selected sarees from 1st of April for Bengali New Year till 13th of April. On limited collection. So check out those who cannot visit the store. Please check out the WhatsApp status for discounted products, and those who can visit, kindly visit. Sundays also we are open, the first 2 Sundays of April till Poila Boishak, the 3rd of April, and till Poila Boishak means that's the 15th of April is our Bengali New Year. So before that, the 2 Sundays we'll be keeping open both the branches, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Both the branches will keep open for you to shop. Only before pujas and before Poila Boishak, these few Sundays we keep open for you. Otherwise, usually we are closed on Sundays. 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night will be open for you. Please do visit. This is the lovely blouse piece. It's a 2-tone pink orange color combination, two-tone, and the color base color is with yellow and pink, very pretty. Now coming to a gorgeous silver gold weave. The body is in silver and on top the sari is in gold weave. So these are totally master weaving collection, and that too, what a beautiful subtle pink peach color border. So actually these are two tones, so exact color is very difficult to say, but see the richness of this weave. What a wow Kanjivaram, brocade Kanjivaram with, and so it's not that so much of heavy weave, but it's very comfortable. It's not very heavy that you can't carry them. Of course these are silk and with zari it will be little heavy than the crepe and chiffons, but not as much as you are expecting them to be so much of zari. But it's a beautiful sari, beautiful. See the brocade blouse piece, rich gold pink peach brocade blouse, and this is the sari. All over it will have the same weave. Border. Pallu. Now this kind of weave, I'll show you few more colors. I have a nice pista color. बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है. I mean I don't have anything to tell you. I mean you can see from the color combination, the texture, the weave, the quality, I mean is just too good. कोई भी पहनिए, देखिए कितना you look really gorgeous. All silk pattus with all over zari weave, rich rani border, pallu, and the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Today's episode will be of the rich heritage weaves of Indian South silks. देखिए, since these are done by our master weaver, so there will be a very much difference in the typical Kanjivaram and South silks that you see. These are all the, see, first of all this is totally Shikarga weave. So there's a touch of Benaras, there's a touch of South, there's a touch of brocade, so much of interesting weave. See the leaves and the birds in between the leaves, and the border is in floral, and it has a, see it has, first of all it has a skirt border. One is the zari border and one is a different weave than the body weave. So weave wise it is a skirt border weave, but being in the same color. It's a rani and gold weave, and wow, what a beautiful two-tone hot pink blouse piece. बहुत ही unusual, very very uncommon weave. So इसमें we've done another color, and that's a purple tone. A hot color this season. Again with the bird weave, Shikarga weave with leaves, and see the exquisite weaving, the back side, very neat. This is the beauty of hand woven silks. बस आपको एक स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है, पसंद आ रहे तो, और व्हाट्सएप कीजिए कोई भी एक नंबर में, मैसेंजर हम ज़्यादा एक्टिव नहीं है, व्हाट्सएप कीजिए और कोई भी एक नंबर में हम लोग पेमेंट डिटेल्स दे देंगे आपको। पेमेंट के बाद हम लोग कोरियर कर देंगे। कोरियर चार्जेस आर एप्लीकेबल फॉर ऑल शिपमेंट्स, कैश ऑन डिलीवरी ओनली इन कोलकाता। ब्लाउजेस बनानी हो तो यू कैन विजिट द ब्रांच, और ऑफ कोर्स वी कैन डू इट ऑनलाइन ऑल्सो। वील connect you to the tailoring department once the payment is complete. इंटरनेशनली जो हम लोग शिप करते हैं उसका चार्जेस, शिपिंग चार्जेस डिपेंड्स ऑन द वेट एंड डेस्टिनेशन। सो वन साड़ी क्या होता है उसमें शायद आपका 600-700 ग्राम है, बट यू क्रॉस द 500 ग्राम स्लैब, so then you have to pay for a 1 kg slab, whereas you have 400-500 grams left over. So when you are taking another sari, then you fall into that 1 kg 500 gram slot. So second sari लेने से थोड़ा सा weight आपको कम हो जाता, rate आपको कम हो जाता है. So better to buy at least 2 to 3 saris for international shipping to reduce the shipping charges. It's just suggestion that you can wait for your, it's, I really don't want you to pay a bomb on shipping, so it's just that you can always pay for the sari, wait for 1 or 2 to add, and then, or you can club with your friends also if they are in the same area. On 15th of April for Bengali New Year, we are open throughout the day, so please visit. There's thoda puja bhi hota hai hamara dukan mein, so please visit. All those who are in Kolkata, those who are outside Kolkata, if you are visiting Kolkata, please visit any of the branches or both the branches. Sanskriti Kolkata, it's for the Halkhata that we do for the Bengali New Year. Please do visit. What a beautiful mustard gold color with magenta. See the weave in between each this center leaf. There's another line of a gold weave that's covering the leaf. It's a beautiful weave, and also the color and the rich. See the rich color combination. Really stand out in the crowd. These color combination, the concept of weaving, and the blouse piece. With this contrast rich blouse. It's beautiful. See this, the blouse piece. बहुत सुंदर साड़ी. Now coming to another soft pink color. First of all, I would love to show you the border. Broad border, and this is what is South Kanjivaram is all about. The intricacy of the gold zari. It's just as if it's printed. It's such a gorgeous weave and so fine weaving. See the back side. So neat finish. It's totally value for money. Fine weave, as if it's just sitting. This cannot be done if it's not done by master weavers. Today I'll take real pride in showing these heritage silks of South, and I'm really honored to be associated with the weavers of India who work. I mean, it's their skill that they work so well, and they produce such gorgeous saris for us. The blouse piece comes in a two-tone pink color with that broad zari border. So if you are making a sleeves a little longer, you can make it full zari and the body in pink. I always say not to waste fabric. These silks, even if there is a little patch and all that's left over from my blouse, I use it in the patching and all also. I really बहुत कंजूस है हम इस सिल्क के बारे में ये सब. देखिए रेड मस्टर्ड ऑरेंज ब्लाउज पीस, with a touch of silver buttas in between the gold. See the border also. हम लोग थ्रू आउट द ईयर कभी सेल नहीं देते हैं बिकॉज वी नेवर हैव डेड स्टॉक. ओनली देर आर फ्यू साड़ीज विच यू नो जो एक एक करके रह गया हो या उस पर स्टॉक नहीं है और वो प्रोडक्शन बंद हो गया है, उसी टाइप का साड़ीज हम लोग डिस्काउंट में दे देंगे इन जामिल लेन ब्रांच ओनली. So please visit for a quick look at our discounted products. Only once a year we have sale, that also in selected stuffs. Suits and kurtis also you'll have, there will be a sale only in Jamil Lane branch. Number 11. सिल्क टसर एनी काइंड ऑफ फैब्रिक प्राइस बहुत बढ़ चुका है. रियली लेट मी नॉट दैट आई वांट टू इंक्रीज द प्राइस. ट्रस्ट मी, हम लोग खुद परेशान हैं. मतलब काफी वीवर्स तो काम ही छोड़ दिया. ये दोज हु कैन नॉट really afford good weavers, बहुत लोग काम ही छोड़ दिया. They are doing something else or the other. खेती बाड़ी में I don't know what I mean, but the situation is so इतना बढ़ चुका है. सिल्क एंड टसर एवरी प्रोडक्ट में रॉ मटेरियल में एक एक धागा का प्राइस बढ़ गया और रॉ मटेरियल का भी प्राइस बढ़ गया. सो ओवरऑल हजारों रुपया बढ़ गया. मतलब प्लस 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 करके काफी प्रोडक्ट्स आप लोग भी जानते भी है कितना बढ़ चुका है ये सब सिल्क हैंडलूम प्रोडक्ट का प्राइसेस. ये इसमें 2 टोन एक ठो ब्लाउज पीस है. ये आपका बॉर्डर भी आएगा और साड़ी का कलर नेवी है. उसके बीच में ये जरी के साथ ये सिल्वर बूटा भी आएगा. when sometimes memories come in our Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata, just by the way I remember Sanskriti Kolkata, please do like the page because all these pictures will be uploaded in the Kanjivaram album. So कभी कभी जब memories में आता है ना पुराना साड़ी का, ये memory में ये वाला था, तो जब हम प्राइस देखते हैं उसका तो मतलब 2-3 हजार रुपया बढ़ गया विद इन 5 to 6 years, 3 पर साड़ी. सो कैन यू इमेजिन, मतलब उसके ऊपर से GST सब लेकर इट्स अ बिग रियली. बट वॉट एवर डोंट नो, और भी बढ़ेगा. जो हालत है ना और भी बढ़ेगा. दिस इज द पल्लू एंड दिस इज द ब्लाउज पीस. बट जस्ट दैट वी आर लकी टू हैव वेरी ओल्ड, आई मीन पुराना वीवर जो बहुत साल से हमारा काम कर रहे हैं, उसको रिक्वेस्ट करके थोड़ा सा आप ही कम ले लो, मतलब ऐसे करके. बट वी कांट हेल्प अबाउट द थ्रेड्स एंड दिस थिंग. Just because our reputation we are getting in minimum range which we can forward it to you, but बाकी सब बहुत ही बढ़ चुका है. Now look at this. Now something good again about the sari. A very pretty light brown color sari with a wine color border. First of all, the zari weave, it's a beautiful zari weave. Very subtle but rich. उसके साथ ये कॉम्बिनेशन ही देखिए, कुछ बोलना ही नहीं पड़ेगा. See the pallu, product number 12, 16,900. Today I didn't see any of the prices because it's all mentioned already. So I just wanted to concentrate on the silk. I was so engrossed in showing these new collection of ours. Number 13, पूरा ब्राइडल कलेक्शन बहुत सुंदर है ये कलर। इट्स अ कोरल कलर, टू टोन रानी ऑरेंज कॉम्बिनेशन। तो ये जो कलर है ना, आपको कभी कभी रानी लगेगा, कभी कभी ऑरेंज लगेगा, बट बेसिकली इट्स अ डुअल टोन कलर, शॉर्ट कलर। 16,900। इतना गॉर्जियस साड़ी है, देखिए। दिस इज एक्चुअली, यू कैन सी द सिल्क थ्रेड, सी वेयर द ब्लाउज, वेरी टिपिकल ऑफ साउथ कांजीवरम्स। बहुत गॉर्जियस है, मतलब that's what I was just saying, that I don't want to say anything. I'm so engrossed in showing you the collection. And that was a similar color, but that had wine tone, and this is another sober color combination in a pink border. Similar weave, similar concept, color also, but except for the border color. ऐसे आपको, I'm not draping the sarees because the whole saree will be same, and the blouse is already with the pallu, and these are all freshly polished, fresh collection. You can all see, I'm just opening it all first time in front of you. All these are well polished and fresh sarees. First time, once I'm opening, after the payment I'll just ship it in proper condition, good fold. 16,900 with this blouse piece, so I don't want to drape it. मैं पूरा खोल के दिखा रही हूँ, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि ये पूरा साड़ी ऐसा वीविंग किया हुआ है। अच्छा, there were few comments in this thing that ऐसे सिल्क थोड़ा कम रेंज में दिखाइए। हम कैसे दिखाएंगे बोलिए? ये सिल्क का जो गेटअप है तो यही क्वालिटी में आएगा, कम रेंज में तो वो क्वालिटी नहीं आएगा। तो अगर हम कम रेंज में ये डिजाइन बना रहे हैं तो क्यों ये महंगा में लेंगे? सो दे वांट एक्सक्लूसिविटी ना, तो कम रेंज का सिल्क तो हम दिखाते ही है, चंदेरी सिल्क्स, और काफी हम वैरायटी दिखाते हैं, लेकिन ये डिजाइन नहीं आएगा। ये सब हैंड वोवन है, वो सब पावर लूम आएगा, तो उसमें तो फर्क आएगा ही। तो एंड आई डोंट रियली वांट टू मिक्स पावर लूम विथ हैंडलूम, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन ऑलवेज प्रमोटिंग हैंडलूम प्रोडक्ट्स, हैंड वोवन वीवर्स, आई मीन ऑलवेज, इट्स ऑलवेज माई टॉप प्रायोरिटी। सो वो नहीं आ सकता है। आई अंडरस्टैंड, कभी बजट का भी तो रेस्ट्रेंट्स होता है, तो उसी हिसाब से ये डिजाइन आपको कम रेंज में नहीं आएगा। और ये सिल्क क्वालिटी भी हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि रेपुटेशन का बात है, और आप लोग भरोसे करते हैं कि हम बेस्ट क्वालिटी सिल्क, ओरिजिनल सिल्क ही आपको देंगे। तो अगर ये वाला हम कम रेंज में बनाना शुरू कर देंगे तो मतलब रेपुटेशन का बात है, और क्वालिटी, फिनिश एंड totally the look will change totally, so that is not possible. And दो इस टाइप का वीवर में आपका ये आएगा ही नहीं, रेगुलर वीवर ये नहीं कर सकेगा ये वीविंग। सो उसी हिसाब से दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल रेड ब्रोकेट कांजीवरम। Yes, blended silk definitely I will show you, but design will be different. This is a beautiful Kanjivaram, beautiful sari. It's a lovely, nice red color. And since this blouse piece is here, South silks mainly will come in rich gold, and Banaras silk preferably in antique ones. So here you will not get any antique silks, antique zari. So this is all rich gold and rich silver. Now the similar one that I am wearing, again now coming to soft pure silk Kanjivaram. It's an emerald green color with gold and silver zari buta all over. Very soft, easy to wear. You can always go out to any light occasion also, where you need to carry a lot, who wants lightweight sari, pure silk but in lightweight. Very different piece. कलर टू टोन ऑफ कोर्स इन एमरल्ड ग्रीन, और इसके साथ आ रहा है आपका ये ब्लाउज पीस. इसमें सिर्फ एक बॉर्डर आएगा, नैरो जरी बॉर्डर. ब्लाउज के हिसाब से ये पल्ला भी वीविंग किया हुआ है. तो ये है इसका वीविंग. मेरा साड़ी यही फैब्रिक में है. It's a peacock blue color with this beautiful zari border. Pallu. This is the blouse piece. और इसका प्राइस है 13,900. सो मिनिमम रेंज प्योर सिल्क साड़ीज 13,900 because these are hand woven. Okay, the neck piece that I'm wearing, it's a polki, very rich neck piece in green. It comes with this earring also. Again, this rich polki, you can wear it with polkis are expensive, and this is a very good quality polki. 7850, sorry. 7,850 rupees is the price of the set. There's tassel at the back. 7,850. Very gorgeous polki set. Mannequin is also wearing a brocade Kanjivaram, Tanchoi kind of weave with it has peacock weaving in between. I don't know how much you can understand. Just closely ek bar just check out, and it's a beautiful pista border also. Pallu. I try my best to show as much as possible the details of the product. In case I can improve, kindly message me, or you of course comment कीजिए. कोई भी तरह हम लोग किसी भी improve कर सकेगा display presentation. I'm always welcome to accept all kind of suggestions. ऐसे ब्लाउज, रेडीमेड ब्लाउज भी हम लोग we sell these kind of ready-made blouses also. This is a peacock blue two-tone blouse, and this is a beautiful Kanjivaram. 15,900 Tanchoi Kanjivaram zari weave totally, with this nice jade color blouse piece and jade border. Pallu, pretty one. And then coming to a bright red Kanjivaram. These are not brocade Kanjivaram, these are normal silk Kanjivarams. Oh, this is the opposite. Okay, now coming to this nice red sleek border. All pure Kanchipuram silk. Beautiful pallu. And it will have a sober blouse piece combination also. So those who want narrow border saris with good quality silk, simple weaving, lightweight, lovely shade of red. देखिए ये कलर देखिए, बहुत सुंदर कलर है कॉम्बिनेशन. अच्छा, एक बात है, ये जो ये कलर हम, ये डार्क टर्कोइज पीकॉक ब्लू है और ये पर्पलिश मैजेंटा है। ये पीकॉक ब्लू कलर थोड़ा कैमरा में 1920 आता है, तो ये आप ध्यान में रखिए, बट दीज आर ऑल वेरी रिच कलर कॉम्बिनेशन। दिस इज द ब्लाउज पीस, इट्स इन teal blue, turquoise blue color, dark turquoise blue, peacock blue kind of a color, two-tone. Now, as I was saying, certain colors, especially in two-tone silk, exact color doesn't come. So, I'm trying to explain as much as possible, and these are all selected sarees, very rich, different combination. But जैसे I was telling you, मेरा साड़ी का जो color border है, it's in emerald green, बट ये मेरा साड़ी जो है ना, ये आ रहा था स्काई ब्लू कलर when I was taking a video. So this is, let me tell you, this is a purplish color and this is a peacock blue color, dark peacock blue color. This is a royal blue, exact color as I am wearing. Okay, this is the same साड़ी, but मेरा ऊपर में narrow border है, इसमें दोनों साइड में border है, थोड़ा ब्रॉड बॉर्डर है इसमें। इसका बॉर्डर कलर कॉम्बिनेशन अलग है। और बॉर्डर भी डिफरेंट है। एग्जैक्ट सेम माई कॉम्बिनेशन, अ पीकॉक रॉयल ब्लू कलर विथ एमरल्ड ग्रीन। Blouse piece also same as emerald green. ठीक है, this is a slate color, very elegant piece, very fine sleek narrow border ऊपर में, और in between there's nice gold weave, and see the lower border. It's a wow, beautiful silk, beautiful weave. पल्लू, gold and silver weaving with running blouse piece. ये ब्लाउज पीस है। ब्लाउज पीस में थोड़ा सा टेक्सचर्ड है, थोड़ा सा हेवी, ये देखिए थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आ रहा है आपको ब्लाउज पीस में। Another color I have in this Mohapar border, upper sleek border. These are lovely colors. You will love the colors. ये आपको मिलने के बाद ना आपको बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. That is very important, you know. When you get the product, उसके बाद जो हमारा फीडबैक आता है ना, वो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. तो ये वाला थोड़ा अटैच हो गया है. टू टोन कलर, यहां से मुझे रानी दिख रहा है, नीचे में ऑरेंज दिख रहा है, तो हम वही बोल दिया आपको कि दिस इज अ टू टोन कलर, रानी ऑरेंज कॉम्बिनेशन, टिपिकल साउथ सिल्क रिच कॉम्बिनेशन. These colors is only possible in our beautiful south. Very pretty. Blouse piece. Pallu. Number 21. ब्लैक. ब्लैक के बगैर सिल्क हो ही नहीं सकता कोई भी एपिसोड. तो ये वाला एक तो ब्लैक एंड वो भी इसका टेम्पल देखिए ना, इसमें इज जस्ट अ मास्टरपीस. Black with this mud color combination, brown. Amazing sari, temple border. Lovely combination pallu. And this long temple, what a pretty, and it will have a contrast blouse piece also. It's an amazing color. And the total look of the sari is beautiful. Sari blouse में border भी आएगा, हाँ, zari border is also there. Just checked. This is the blouse piece. This is the border which I was talking about. This is the blouse piece border, and then the sari. Coffee. So I have two colors in this temple design in Kanjivaram. My son keeps telling me, don't you get bored? Whole day you are into saris, you are checking your phone, you are replying WhatsApp. कितना boring life है मम्मी तुम्हारा. सारा दिन पूरा only कपड़ा सारी यही you go on doing. I said even on a Sunday you keep on doing the same thing. So but this is what I love most. This is the blouse piece. Now, which I didn't tell you before, is I have some lovely Patola weaving Kanji silks. Pure Kanchipuram silk in Patola weave. Now see the beauty of these saris. It was just a end में कुछ showstopper saris. Patola woven pallu. Very smart piece, very smart. Now, you will love it when you see the blouse, because the blouse is also in Patola weave. So isn't it very fashionable? And the sari itself has a self texture, see the silk. So fine zari border, a beautiful textured silk, pallu and blouse. कैसे लगा? लिख कर बोलिए. अच्छा लगे तो, and also check out our WhatsApp status. आपका सारा इंटरव्यूज हम लोग अपलोड करेंगे. See, this is a nice silver grey color. तो ऐसे साड़ी होने से क्या होता है, आप कोई भी ज्वेलरी, मतलब यू वांट टू हाईलाइट द ज्वेलरी, बहुत अच्छा लगता है ज्वेलरी, बहुत प्रोमिनेंट दिखता है ज्वेलरी एक्चुअली. दिस इज द पल्लू. ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज नॉट मैचिंग, बट वॉट एवर यू विल वेयर, थोड़ा लॉन्ग पहनिए, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. This is the blouse piece. एकदम अलग डिजाइन कॉन्सेप्ट में है. तो दिस इज वेयर आई फील संस्कृति इज वेरी ब्लेस्ड टू हैव वीवर्स जो कस्टमाइज करके बनाते हैं. बहुत हार्डली ऐसा, मतलब कस्टमाइज वीविंग कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दे मेक इन बल्क, एक दो पीस करके वो लोग नहीं बनाते. लेकिन आई एम रियली ग्लैड विथ सच लॉन्ग ईयर्स ऑफ me being in this profession, so we have the set of weavers जो हमारा मतलब ऐसे एक्सपेरिमेंट करके ऐसा नया नया वीविंग डिज़ाइन वो लोग बनाते हैं. इसलिए थोड़ा अलग लगे, डिफरेंट लगे, कुछ वैरायटी भी हम एक ही कॉन्सेप्ट में ला सकते हैं, मतलब कांजीवरम में इतना सारा वैरायटी भी हम दिखा सकते हैं आपको। ये वाला ब्लैक के साथ ये इक्कत वोवन पल्लू एंड ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज ब्लाउज पीस। ये हो गया इसके साथ ब्लाउज पीस। Now I have a very pretty color. I don't know how this color is looking in the camera, but I'll tell you exactly this color. It's a very nice in between a sky blue and a sea green color. Very pretty color, very pretty. And इसके साथ जो ये कॉम्बिनेशन है ना ब्लाउज का और ये पल्ला का, इट्स गोइंग वेरी वेल विद दिस कॉम्बिनेशन। सी today I'm very very happy with the products, the weaves. So अगर आप भी खुश हो तो काइंडली मैसेज कीजिए, लिखकर भेजिए, तो हम लोग और भी अच्छा दिखा सकेगा। थैंक यू सो मच।